This is called life, with full of peaceful nature, environment, and I just love to connect with nature. And coming here was like this was my destiny. A fresh breeze, fresh water, pleasant place, a scene of greenery, and a bright sunny day makes a day perfect. Life is a journey. We as an individual have to keep moving forward, and that's called life. This was my first trip to Bhelughat, and while I was coming, my wish was that I just want to enjoy the waterfall, and it happened. I felt something about it and will always remind me